One thing I like to encourage with Bible study is cross-referencing, comparing scripture with scripture. There's no greater illumination of a verse than another verse. So SwordSearcher has all kinds of things in it that make this process fast, easy, and interesting. I'm going to show you one of these called the Find Related Verses tool. I'm going to right-click Genesis 1:1, and on the menu that pops up, I'm going to select Find Related Verses. This is the Find Related Verses window. Incidentally, you can also select it from the search menu here. This has Genesis 1:1 pre-filled because that's the verse I right-clicked. And it loads in the words from this verse in reverse order of how frequently they're used in the Bible. That just means that the most unique words to this verse appear first. That helps make the words that are unique to this passage stick out and suggests a good place to start searching. So as you use this, you just pick out the words that are interesting to you that you think you might want to look into a little bit more in other verses and check them. It might just be one word, but this tool works really well for combining them. So let's go with created and beginning. The status area here updates as I make changes, and so that I can see what my search results will be like. So now I've got these two words selected. It says that my search options will match 3 verses other than the current verse. So now I've got them selected, I'm going to click Do Search, and here are the search results. This is the verse that I was studying. Obviously it contains the words, and here are 3 additional verses. Let's look at another passage. I'm going to go to John 3:16, very well-known verse. And to show you how another way this works, I'm going to select 2 verses this way. I've just selected across 2 verses, and I'm going to right-click, and now the Find Related Verses item on the menu will fill in John 3:16 and 17 for me automatically. So as you can see, the verse or passage here can be more than just one verse. You can type in a whole chapter if you want. So let's look at how this works with another search. I'm going to select believeth and condemn. I'm being told here that the search options will match 2 other verses. Now let me point out something. There's an option here called include all word forms. Notice that when I unchecked that, now I will find no verses. My search wouldn't turn up anything. The reason is because there are no verses in the Bible that contain both of these words in these forms. But let's see what happens. I'm going to do include all word forms. I'm going to click do search. And here we can see that the word believeth and believed appear with other forms of the word condemn. Here we have condemned, and here we have condemnation. And these are certainly very valid cross-references, which we may not have easily found otherwise. Now, if you find that you like using this tool a lot, the Find Related Verses tool, there's a little tip I want to show you before I finish off here. Go to File, Preferences and Settings, and select Verse Widgets. You can add a verse widget next to every verse tag here, Find Related Verses. What this does is, I'll click OK. Now there's a verse widget for using the Find Related Verses tool right off this verse. It makes it handy. You don't have to right-click. You just click this, and here we are. John 3:16 is pre-filled in the Find Related Verses window. I hope this will enhance your study of the Bible, and thank you for watching.